A noisy washing machine can be a frustrating issue, especially when it occurs while filling with water. The cause of the noise is often due to damaged or loose water pipes. And in such cases, it's best to contact a professional to check and repair the plumbing. Another possible reason for the noise is excessive water pressure, which can produce a whistling sound if the water valve is too tight. To address this, the hot and cold water valves should be checked and loosened if necessary. Blockages in the water valve screens can also cause a high-pitched squeaking sound. And to fix this, the screen filtering the water may need to be cleaned. This can be done by accessing the water valve near the hose, removing any blockages, and cleaning the screen with a dry cloth or paper towel. Additionally, a loose door seal can cause the washer to produce a noise as it hits the drum. And if the seal is damaged, it should be replaced. Worn-out shock absorbers can also contribute to the noise, as they can cause the washer to become unsteady while filling with water. And in such cases, replacement is necessary. By addressing these potential issues, the noise can be eliminated, and the washing machine can function smoothly.